Are you looking for the best wood router reviews? In this video we will look at some of the best wood router reviews on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. VEVOR Router Wood. Our brand new soft start compact router kit is designed for wide applications in wood processing, furniture manufacturing and other industries. No load speed, 10,000 30,000 RPM. 6 variable speeds. Soft starting motor works with 710 watts, voltage 110 volts/220 volts. Durable and accurate designed body. VEVOR is a leading brand that specializes in equipment and tools. Along with thousands of motivated employees, VEVOR is dedicated to providing our customers with tough equipment and tools at incredibly low prices. Today, VEVOR's products are sold in more than 200 countries and regions with 10 million plus members worldwide. Powerful 700 watts compact router delivers excellent power to meet variety applications. Heavy-duty cast aluminium motor housing, fixed base, voltage 110 volts/220 volts 50 Hz/60 Hz. This router ranges of 6 variable speed 10,000 to 30,000 RPM can easily cope with different softwoods and hardwoods, controlled by speed adjusting dial. Number 2. Luodabie 3000 RPM wood router. Woodworking electric trimmer 800 watts wood milling engraving slotting trimming machine carving machine router wood. Apply to wood, plastic sheeting, wood veneer and other similar materials. Chamfering, grooving, surface finishing, curve cutting, planing wood edge, pattern processing operations activities. Widely used in wood processing, furniture manufacturing and other industries. Trimming, slotting and making holes, can be used for wooden processing, cabinet processing, handicraft production. External carbon brush design is convenient for replacement. Transparent cover to control the flying sawdust. The height of base height can be adjusted to meet different needs. Lightweight with wired design, convenient for daily operation and carrying. Number 3. WEN-RT 6033 Woodworking Router. Powerful 15 amp variable speed soft start motor provides speeds from 8,000 to 23,000 RPM. Plunging base locks in downward position for functionality as both a plunge and a fixed router. Accepts both 1/4 and 1/2 inch router bits with a plunge depth of up to 2/3/8 inches. 7-stop turret combined with both macro and micro adjustment dials maximize precision. Increase or decrease your cutting depth by 1/8 inch increments with the 7-stop rotating turret. Our fine-tune adjustment dial advances the depth stop 1/128th of an inch per quarter turn. Our powerful 15 amp motor provides anywhere from 8,000 to 23,000 rotations per minute. Number 4. VEVOR 7000 Wood Router. This wood router comes with 2 bases for dual base type only, a fixed base that keeps the bit in a constant position for flexible cutting edges, and a plunge base that enables you to preset the cutting depth and place the bottom of the drill bit flat on the material's surface for deep cuts. You can use it for wood trimming, wood grooving, hand production, woodworking, cabinet processing, surface finishing, etc. Are you tired of not having control? This wood router is equipped with a constant speed soft start system that minimizes starting torque and improves control. With a 1.25 horsepower 6.5A motor, it can deliver up to 30,000 RPM, making it suitable for use on various materials like soft or hard wood. With overheat protection, the motor will automatically power off when it overheats. With 6 speeds and a pinion depth adjustment system, this trim router's woodworking provides precise depth control for your projects. The quick-release camera lock system makes depth adjustment and base removal installation easy. Additionally, LED light has been added to illuminate all corners of the work area, ensuring clearer and more precise trimming. Features a hexagonal socket that can adjust the tightness of the base, avoiding it being loose and unable to lock in place. The 1/4 and 5/16 cullets are compatible with various drill bits, avoiding any issues with loosening. Throughout the cutting process, the base and drill bit remain stable and less likely to become loose. Number 5. Becornce 2000 watts 32000R wood router. It is easy to observe, and the processing of silica gel is more accurate. The bottom plate adopts high-strength transparent bottom plate, which is not only light and stable, but also durable and durable. Flick the switch for more convenient use. Thickened copper wire all copper motor. The output is greatly improved, high temperature resistance, more effective to adapt to various intensity operations, not easy to burn. Efficient ventilation, dust-proof heat dissipation, long time work, fast heat dissipation. Fixed height. The base is more stable without moving up and down. With scale designed to adjust the height of different bottom plates, effectively control the lifting of the base.